Alright, picture this. A fine dry fog spreading through the air, reaching every surface, and even adding a little moisture as it goes. This is the KleenShield C100 Dry Fogger, your key germ buster in high-traffic spaces. We're over at the Hive offices today, where this sleek unit is doing its thing. Covering the lobby, moving down the hallway, turning a regular space into a disinfected one. It's quick, super efficient, and here's the best part. No residue, no harsh smell, and no downtime. Just a hospital-grade cleaning fog that actually works.
So this is a KleenShield Aerosol C100 Dry Fogger. I'm just going to switch it on now.
What you're seeing is ultra-fine dry fog, tiny 1 to 5 micron droplets spreading evenly through the air and across all surfaces. This isn't your mop and spray routine. The C100 uses hypochlorous acid HOCl, which is eco-friendly, pH neutral, and safe around people, pets, plants, and electronics. That means no hazmat suits, no gloves, no drama. And while it might look laid back, it's a total powerhouse, disinfecting up to 200 cubic meters in just 15 minutes. Perfect for offices, clinics, schools, food prep areas, or anywhere you need to flip from busy to bacteria-free, fast. And yeah, everything you see here, built and formulated right here in Ontario, Canada. The fogger, the chemicals, all local, all professional grade, all CSA and DIN certified products. If you're ready to ditch messy cleaning and upgrade to pro-level disinfection, the KleenShield C100 is it. Safe, super easy to use. And if you're curious to try it out, scan the QR code or head to cleanshieldsolutions.com to request a demo and get all the details. Because when it comes to cleaning, there's fog and then there's dry fog.